Hello students, today we will study about divergence of helium neon laser. In this experimental setup, first of all, main parts. Here is the laser, helium neon laser. So this helium neon laser is having power maximum 2 milliwatt. So this part is the power supply to this laser gun. Here is the meter rod just for measuring distances, and this part is the optical bench or breadboard. Now what is divergence? Divergence is basically spreading of electrons of stream. So in this experiment, basically it's the spreading of light, spreading of beam. So you are seeing here a spot of laser beam on this screen. Okay, so we will measure the size of this spot at different distances of laser, different positions of laser. So I have marked here 2 or 3 points at 20 centimeter. So at first position, suppose this is our first position where we have to measure the size of this spot. So you have to measure its size. You may also measure it with the help of graph paper and microscope, and also with meter scale. Just we have to find its diameter of this round circle, round spot. Okay, so it would be our omega 1. For first position it would be omega 1. So after measuring its size, you would have to move this whole setup in the backward direction. So I would suggest you to move it by 20 centimeter in the backward direction. As I have done it, I have just moved it in backward direction. So by moving it in the backward direction, the size of this spot got bigger. Now this time it is of bigger size. Again you would have to measure its diameter with the help of meter scale or by measuring it with microscope. Okay, so for the second time, again you would have to change its distance between laser source and screen. So again slide this breadboard in the backward direction, by the same distance as I have done it earlier. Initially I have moved it by 20 centimeters. So this time you would have to move it again by 20 centimeter in the backward direction. So like this. So this time the distance has become 2D. Now the size of this spot is more than as I have measured in the previous case. So measure it with the help of meter scale as I have already explained you. So it would be omega 3. So once I would like to repeat it. For first position, the spot of light, the size of the light, whatever you have measured, it would be omega 1, and second time it would be omega 2, and for last time it would be omega 3. What is omega 1, omega 2 and omega 3? So it's the radius of this spot. So you are seeing here, it's the radius of this spot. Some important instructions are, so never see it from front side. So don't bring your eye in the path of this beam, because this beam is highly intense beam, so it may damage your eyesight. So always view it from back side only. And the second precaution is, never touch it when it is in working condition. So this is all about this experiment. Thank you. Hoping this experiment, this demonstration is quite clear to all of you. So this is the first set of observations, as I have taken D at 20 centimeters, and for second set of observations you may change value of D, you may change the distance. I have moved the whole setup in the backward direction. So second time the value of D may be 25 centimeters, and for third time it may be 30 centimeters also. By noting final result of divergence of all the three sets of observations, just find out the mean value of result. It would be the final result of divergence, and all of you know the divergence will be measured in radians. Okay, thank you.